The Delta Heartland 4-in-1 Crib boasts a versatile design, transforming seamlessly from a crib to a toddler bed, daybed, and full-size bed, making it a long-lasting investment for your child's growing years. This crib is designed to adapt as your baby grows, featuring a 3-position mattress height adjustment that ensures safety as your little one starts to sit or stand. Crafted from strong and sturdy wood, the Delta Heartland Crib not only promises durability but also adds a touch of elegance to any nursery with its variety of color options. Safety is a top priority with this crib, as it is JPMA certified and meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM, ensuring a secure environment for your baby. The crib's dimensions are thoughtfully designed to fit standard-size crib mattresses, providing ample space for your child without overwhelming the nursery. Assembly is straightforward, allowing parents to easily set up the crib and begin creating cherished memories with their little ones.